Hello everyone, myself Manisha Swal from University of Delhi South Campus, India, presenting my work entitled Designing of Genome-Specific Oligonucleotides (GS oligos) for identification of Mycobacterium avium complexes mapped at genus, species, subspecies and strain level using novel proteome-based approach. MAC comes under the category of non-tubercular Mycobacterium (NTMs). They are opportunistic pathogens causing infection and morbidity among immunocompromised as well as immunocompetent globally. Also, in countries with high tuberculosis load, NTM diagnosis is rare, causing frequent misdiagnosis leading to inappropriate treatments. MAC consists of closely related species and strains like paratuberculosis intercellularly that are indistinguishable through 16S RNA and causes high infection load. Therefore, keeping this in mind for the accurate diagnosis from experimental and in silico aspect using novel proteome-based method, in which we divided the proteome into core, non-core, and unique for genus, species, subspecies, and strain level identification, respectively. Now, proceeding towards the methodology, we retrieved 29 MAC strain genomes and proteome data from PETRIC database, performed data filtration by removing plasmid DNA and pseudogenes. Then, using comparative proteome analysis, we segregated the proteome into core, non-core and unique, and then retrieve the genomic sequences of these proteins and then filtered them by searching against nucleotide database, and the genomic sequences having 95% or greater than similarity with the target genomes were selected, following which we performed the fragmentation of these genomic sequences into short oligonucleotide sequence 18 to 50 base pair. These fragments have undergone filtration of GC content analysis, palindrome removal and removal of 4 base pair run. After these fragments were also validated against nucleotide database, and fragments having perfect hit with their target were considered. Now fragment length and overlap were also optimized for obtaining highly specific length and overlap for better sensitivity. As of result shows that 431 genus specific probes were obtained at 21 base pair length with specificity above 0.95, and more than 30,000 species and subspecies probes were obtained at 30 base pair length with specificity above 0.93. Although strain specific probes being less in number, 195 were considered the pool of 18 to 50 base pair probes covering 12 out of 29 strains. Also, overlapping probes showed more sensitivity than non-overlapping due to multiple probes targeting a single target region, shown in figure 1C. These filter fragments were considered GS oligos and were used to classify the clinical metagenome, showed MAC presence in 42 out of 51 healthy set, 1 out of 1 in positive set, and 48 out of 68 in test sample set, shown in figure 3A. And comparison with other classification tools like Scaracan and Megablast show that our GS oligos are highly specific for MAC. Metagenomes were also simulated, having 194 lung microbial genome and plus human genomes and 29 GS oligos targeted MAC genomes from 0.01x to 1x sequencing coverage, and GS oligos were searched against these metagenomes, keeping perfect match as best hit. This showed optimal binding with metagenome data at 0.25x coverage, means that at 25% sequencing coverage of genomes present in metagenomes, our GS oligos will able to identify the MAC. These GS oligos showed binding with 74 newly sequenced MAC genomes. Interestingly, with some MACs, less number of GS oligos were binding, suggesting their less relatedness among the group. This was confirmed by calculating average nucleotide index ANI between these 74 MAC genomes. It also showed similar result. This proves that GS oligos not only distinguish MAC specifically but also imply relatedness between them. Through this study, we inferred that genic regions play a significant role in bacterial identification for both discovery and detection. Thus, we convey that genic regions application should be further explored. Also importantly, by integrating GS oligos database with NGS platform, instant detection of MAC could be made possible without complex pre-processing of data. Thank you everyone for your patience, and I would like to give special thanks to my supervisor Dr. Manish Kumar for his constant support and guidance through this work. I would also like to give thanks to WBDS team for providing me this platform to present my work. Ending my presentation with an ending note: every ending is really just a new beginning. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you so much.